Log for supplementary number 1. If switch 1 and switch 2 are low, the LCD will print ready to click. And if switch 1 is high, it will print switch 1 is click. And if switch 2 is high, the LCD will print switch 2 is click. Now I will click switch 1. Now I will click switch 2. Now, lab for supplementary number 2. In this supplementary, I will enter a number in the serial monitor, and the number I entered in the serial monitor will perform a running light based on the number I entered. I labeled X as the value equal to the number I input in the serial monitor. The first for loop is the running light performance number, or the number of times the running light will be performed. And the second and third for loop are the running light codes from the previous experiments. Now I will open the serial monitor. I will enter a number, for example number 3. And the circuit will do the running lights 3 times, and the LCD will print the number 3. I will enter another number to check if the code is right. That's 1 loop, and that's 2 loop. Now supplementary number 3 is a binary counter. I will enter a number from 0 to 7 in the serial monitor, and it will be printed in the LCD, and the LED will count it as binary. As for the previous supplementary, I labeled X to be the input of the serial monitor, or it is the number I inputted in the serial monitor, and the LCD will print the number I entered. If I enter a number that is greater than 7, the serial monitor and the LCD will print out of range. While there is no input in serial monitor, the LCD will print the number is. And this for loop, int count is equal to 0 is the counter or the starting point for counting the binary. It will count from 0 to 7, and if it is greater than 7, it will go back to the previous condition, and it will print out of range. And this else if count is equal to 1, that is the LED count or the LED output. It has a values from 1 to 7. Now to open the serial monitor and upload the code. Now I will enter a number. Now I will enter a number that is out of range. Now I will enter the same number and show you the LCD. I will enter another number that is in range. And now the final supplementary, number 4. In this supplementary, switch 1 has a function of storing a number of times it is clicked, and switch 2 will perform the number of clicks switch 1 has. The task that will be performed is a running light, while the LCD will print "Hello World." This first if statement will be printed if switch 1 and switch 2 are low, or if they are not clicked. And if switch 1 is clicked or high, it will start counting from 1 to whatever number the number of times I click it. And if switch 2 is high, it will perform the number of clicks. And in this if statement, count is equal to 0, it will input some value. In this else statement, this will be performed if switch 2 is high. It will print "Hello World" and the number or value of loop. And the fourth statement is from the previous supplementary number 2 of running light. Now I will click switch 1 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I click switch 2, it will perform 4 running lights back and forth 4 times. And it will print "Hello World." 1, 2, 3, 4.